How to move photos to iCloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if your phone is running out of space, a great solution is to move your photos to iCloud while still being able to access them anytime. And I'll show you how to do it step by step. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the name at the top. Now select iCloud, and here at the top you will see your iCloud storage uses. So if you are running out of space, simply tap Manage Account Storage and consider upgrading your plan if needed. And after that, you can simply tap on Photos under iCloud settings and make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on, and this will automatically upload your photos to iCloud. And now to optimize iPhone storage, you need to save spaces by keeping smaller version of your phone while storing full resolution photos in iCloud. Or you can tap on download and keep originals, which keeps full resolution copies on both your iPhone and iCloud. So you can choose the option that works best for you. And if you want shared albums to be backed up, you can toggle on shared albums at the bottom. And that's it. Now your photos are safely stored in iCloud, freeing up space on your device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.